What the industry doesn't want you to know about the AR-15. A $600 rifle, trusted by NATO, that can outperform your $2,000 custom build. Only about 1% of shooters actually understand this. 5 of the rifles on this list will outshoot a Daniel Defense. 3 of them cost less than most AR uppers. This isn't just hype, it's battlefield truth. Before you waste another dollar, you need to watch this. These rifles don't just compete with the AR, they demolish it in specific roles. Don't blink. Stay glued to the screen, because number 1 will change everything you thought you knew. Number 7. The PSA KS-47. Number 7 is the rifle that shouldn't exist, but it absolutely dominates. What happens when you cross AR-15 ergonomics with AK-47 power? The PSA KS-47 proves that American engineering can improve on Kalashnikov's perfection. Palmetto State Armory solved the impossible, fitting the 7.62x39's tapered case into an AR-15 magazine well, while maintaining rock-solid reliability. The enhanced bolt face and modified barrel extension are designed to handle the increased pressure and different extraction requirements. That proprietary bolt carrier group undergoes an additional heat treatment to handle the 7.62x39's higher bolt thrust, something a standard AR bolt can't survive long-term. And the real-world validation comes from competitive shooters who have pushed these rifles past 20,000 rounds with 0 major failures. The rifle delivers consistent 2 MOA accuracy with steel-cased ammunition, something most ARs struggle with. The 16-inch barrel provides optimal velocity for the cartridge, while the carbine-length gas system ensures reliable cycling with everything from 122 grain to 154 grain bullets. Why does it outclass the AR-15? You get AR ergonomics and modularity with AK power and significant ammunition cost savings. 7.62x39 delivers 40% more energy than .223, while costing half as much to feed. At $749, you're getting the best of both worlds. American ergonomics with Russian stopping power, plus access to the cheapest centerfire rifle ammunition on Earth. Number 6. The Ruger PC Carbine. Here's where we blow up everything you think you know about tactical rifles. Meet the pistol-caliber carbine that outpenetrates most rifle rounds at close range. The Ruger PC Carbine proves that sometimes, less is actually more. Ruger's engineers created something brilliant, a takedown rifle that uses common pistol ammunition but delivers rifle-level performance. The 16.12-inch barrel transforms a 9mm from a 400 foot-pound pistol round into a 600-plus foot-pound rifle round. That's more energy than a .357 Magnum. The dead-blow action and tungsten weights eliminate the harsh recoil common in most PCCs. Law enforcement agencies nationwide have adopted PC carbines for close-quarters operations because they deliver superior accuracy with a reduced risk of over-penetration. Ballistic gel testing shows that 9mm from a 16-inch barrel achieves FBI minimum penetration standards, while .223 often over-penetrates through multiple barriers. SWAT teams report faster follow-up shots and better precision under stress. Why does it outclass the AR-15? When you need precision without over-penetration, a common ammunition supply, and the potential for silent operation, nothing beats a well-designed PCC. Plus, it takes down in seconds for easy storage or transport. For $629, you're getting law enforcement-grade accuracy, reduced liability concerns, and ammunition that's available everywhere. Try finding .223 during the next shortage. Number 5. The IWI Galil Ace Gen 2. Halfway through our countdown, we hit a masterpiece of Israeli engineering, the rifle that took AK reliability and added precision manufacturing. The IWI Galil Ace Gen 2 represents what happens when military necessity meets an unlimited research and development budget. Built by Israel Military Industries with 0 compromises, this isn't adapted civilian gear. It's a purpose-built combat rifle. The milled steel receiver provides a level of rigidity that stamped AKs simply can't match, while the redesigned gas system reduces felt recoil by 30%. The cold hammer-forged barrels undergo a chrome lining process that exceeds NATO specifications and are tested to maintain accuracy through 50,000-plus rounds. and its combat credibility is unquestionable. The Israeli Defense Forces replaced their M4 carbines with Galil Aces in multiple units, after extensive testing showed superior reliability in desert conditions. The rifle functions flawlessly with ammunition from 55 grain all the way up to 77 grain, without any adjustments. NATO testing confirmed that it has better dust resistance than Heckler & Koch 416 systems that cost twice as much. Why does it outclass the AR-15? When your nation's survival depends on the reliability of your rifle, you don't choose direct impingement. The ACE delivers sub-MOA accuracy with battle rifle durability, something ARs simply cannot achieve simultaneously. At $1,699, you're getting military-grade precision, combat-proven reliability, and Israeli engineering excellence. This is what happens when compromise is not an option. Number 4. The Smith & Wesson M&P-15 Sport 2 Plot Twist. Number 4 is technically an AR-15, but it proves that smart engineering beats expensive parts every single time. The Smith & Wesson M&P-15 Sport 2 shows how America's oldest gunmaker perfected Stoner's design. Smith & Wesson's manufacturing expertise shines through in their precision-forged components and a level of quality control that exceeds military specifications. The 4140 steel barrel undergoes magnetic particle inspection, while the 7075 T6 receivers receive an additional stress-relieving treatment. The mid-length gas system provides optimal dwell time for reliable cycling, something many expensive ARs get wrong with their carbine length systems. And the performance validation comes from competitive shooters who have won matches with bone stock Sport 2s against custom rifles that cost 5 times more. The rifle consistently delivers 1.5 to 2 MOA accuracy with match ammunition, while maintaining 100% reliability with steel-cased ammo. Law enforcement agencies buy these in bulk because they perform just as well as custom builds, at a fraction of the cost. Why does it outclass other AR-15s? When you strip away the marketing hype and focus on core performance, the Sport 2 proves that execution matters more than the price tag. Smith & Wesson's manufacturing quality exceeds that of many boutique builders. For $739, you're getting Fortune 500 quality control, proven accuracy, and legendary Smith & Wesson reliability. This is how AR-15 should be built, right from the factory. Number 3. The CZ Bren 805. The bronze medal goes to a work of Czech engineering mastery, the rifle that NATO almost chose over everything else. The CZ Bren 805 represents what happens when you redesign the AR-15 concept from scratch, using modern technology. CZ's engineers eliminated every single weakness of the AR-15. You get gas piston operation instead of direct impingement, a monolithic upper receiver for superior accuracy, and a quick-change barrel system for multi-caliber capability. The cold hammer-forged barrel achieves a level of precision that most custom AR barrels can't match, while the adjustable gas system ensures reliability with suppressors, different ammunition weights, and adverse conditions. And its military credibility speaks volumes. The Czech Armed Forces, the British SAS, and multiple NATO Special Operations units chose the Bren over the Heckler & Koch 416 and SCAR platforms after exhaustive testing. The rifle delivered superior accuracy scores and 0 maintenance failures during a 10,000-round endurance test. British Ministry of Defense testing confirmed that it had better suppressed performance than any other 5.56 rifle they tested. Why does it outclass the AR-15? When you need AR-15 modularity, without the AR-15's weaknesses, the Bren delivers gas piston reliability with monolithic accuracy, and the quick-change barrel system allows for caliber conversions in minutes. At $1,899, you're getting NATO-grade engineering, special operations-level accuracy, and Czech manufacturing precision. This is what the AR-15 should have evolved into. Number 2. The PTR-32 KFR. The silver medal belongs to a piece of German engineering excellence, adapted for American needs. The PTR-32 KFR proves that 308 power doesn't require a 308-sized package. This is what happens when Heckler & Koch engineering meets practical requirements. Based on the legendary Heckler & Koch 91 roller-delayed blowback system, the PTR-32 eliminates gas systems entirely. No gas tubes to clog, no pistons to break, just pure mechanical reliability. The 16-inch barrel delivers full .308 Winchester performance, while the delayed blowback system provides inherent accuracy through consistent bolt timing. The cold hammer-forged barrels undergo proof testing that exceeds SAMI specifications, and its combat heritage runs deep. The German GSG-9, the British SAS, and the U.S. Navy SEALs relied on Heckler & Koch 91 systems for decades because they function in conditions that would destroy other rifles. The roller-delayed system actually becomes more reliable with rapid fire, the complete opposite of direct impingement's sensitivity. Military testing showed 99.97% reliability through 50,000 rounds. Why does it outclass the AR-15? When you need .308 power in a compact package with zero maintenance requirements, nothing beats roller-delayed blowback. This system delivers battle rifle performance with carbine handling. For $1,299, you're getting German engineering excellence, .308 stopping power, and maintenance-free reliability. This is precision machinery disguised as a rifle. Number 1. The Brownell's BRN-180. And the champion, the rifle that absolutely destroys AR-15 mythology. The Brownell's BRN-180 proves that Eugene Stoner's final design was his greatest. This is the rifle that shows what the AR-15 should have been from the very beginning. And here's the kicker. Eugene Stoner himself designed this system after he realized the limitations of direct impingement. The BRN-180 uses his ultimate evolution, a short-stroke gas piston operation with a rigid op-rod system that eliminates carrier tilt and timing issues. The self-contained upper receiver means there are no buffer tube requirements, allowing for true folding stock capability while maintaining full power cycling. Stoner's final masterpiece solves every weakness of the AR-15. The piston operation stays clean, the rigid op-rod prevents accuracy degradation, and the sealed gas system handles suppressed fire without any adjustments. Military testing showed 40% better accuracy retention after 10,000 rounds compared to direct impingement systems. The rifle maintains sub-MOA accuracy while running completely suppressed, something traditional ARs simply cannot achieve. Why does it outclass every AR-15? This is Eugene Stoner's perfected design. You get AR-15 modularity with gas piston reliability, folding stock capability, and inherent suppressor compatibility. The BRN-180 represents what Stoner would have built if he had had access to modern materials and manufacturing. At $1,399, you're getting the Master's final evolution, suppressor-ready performance, and folding stock capability. This is Eugene Stoner's ultimate AR-15, perfected. So, there you have it. 7 tactical rifles that prove the AR-15 is not the end-all, be-all solution that everyone claims it is. From the PSA unmatched portability to the BRN-180's perfected design, each of these rifles solves specific problems that traditional ARs simply cannot address. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know if you've actually had a chance to shoot any of these. Real experience beats internet theories every single time. Remember, the best rifle is the one that fits your mission, not someone else's marketing campaign. Hit that subscribe button, because next week, we're covering the most overrated tactical gear that's wasting your money right now. You won't believe what made the list. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.